Welcome aboard, cruisers, and thank you for joining us once again for some more cruise news updates. We definitely have some news for you as we continue with 3 new major stories brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. We have some wonderful news for you cruisers, as the celebrity Solstice is back, and she did not come to play. On March the 2nd, she relaunched out of Singapore after a massive $250 million glow-up by Celebrity Cruises. Now we're talking 8 new experiences, 54 new staterooms, now 1,479 cabins in total, and a 12-night sailing straight to Hong Kong. There's a new Italian at Trattoria Rossa, a Sunset Park party deck, and the Parlour Sports Lounge. President Laura Hodges-Bethke says it sets a new standard, certainly a very bold claim. After Asia and Australia, she heads to Alaska for the summer, then a 110-night grand voyage starting September the 13th, hitting New Zealand and across Asia, ending New Year's Eve in Hong Kong. We have the drama and we have the adventure. We have a wild update as of March the 3rd. MSC Cruises has officially scrapped another sailing of the MSC Euribia, and this ship has been stuck in Dubai since February 27th. After the joint military strike on February the 28th escalated tensions with Iran, everything froze. The March 7th 7-night cruise are gone. Earlier departures on February the 28th, March the 1st and March the 4th were also cancelled. Passengers still can't fully disembark, airspace across the Middle East is closed, and the ships can't pass the Strait of Hormuz. Refunds are coming within 30 days, but right now, well, it's a waiting game in Dubai. And now 3 more cruises scheduled to depart from Dubai have also been cancelled. The March 14th, March 21st and March 28th sailings. Each of those itineraries include port stops in Doha and Abu Dhabi, meaning those calls are also affected as the situation across the region continues to disrupt operations. On March the 3rd, TUI Cruises cancelled even more sailings in the Persian Gulf as tensions continue rising. Right now, Main Ship 4 is docked in Abu Dhabi and Main Ship 5 is sitting in Qatar, about 185 miles apart. Now here's the scary part, cruisers. On March the 1st, 2 missile-armed drones crashed near Port Zayed in Abu Dhabi, close enough for guests on board to see the explosion. Emergency protocols were activated immediately. Some sailings are cancelled, with Main Ship 4 on March the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 8th and 9th, Main Ship 5 on February the 28th and March the 5th. Now over 5,000 passengers are being flown home, but with limited flights and closed airspace, this massive operation could take days. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.